Hello everyone. So in this equation we have 9 divided by 1 over 6 multiplied by 3. The usual mistake people are doing, they start with the multiplication because for them it's easier to do the multiplication, then they leave the division at the end. So what they do, they multiply 1 over 6 with 3, which is 3 over 6 and equals to 1 over 2, 1/2. So here they simplify by 3 and then they get 9 divided by 1 over 2. So when you have division of a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal and they get 18. But of course this result answer is not correct. Why this answer is not correct? Because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division must be done from left to right. So from left to right. So in an expression where we have multiplication or division and multiplication, we always need to do it from left to right to not get confused and to get the correct result. So first we do the division, because as written here, we do it from left to right. So we have 9. When we divide it by a fraction, as we saw earlier, we multiply by its reciprocal. Or you can call this rule KCF, which means K stands for keep the first, C stands for change the sign, and F stands for flip the second. So we get 6 over 1 and multiply by 3. Next, we do the multiplication. We can do it as it's easier for us. Because we have multiplication, there's no rule that we need to do it from left to right. So you can do 9 multiplied by 6, and then multiply by 3, or you can do 6 multiplied by 3 and then multiply by 9. So what we get? 9 multiplied by 6, we get 54 multiplied by 3. And 54 multiplied by 3, we get 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 2, 1, we get it here. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, plus 1, we get 162. And the correct answer for this equation would be 162. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.